Do y'all see the way this hair is? Like, yeah. From the highlights to the lace. I really don't want to take it off. I'm about to be in everybody's face like, what'd you say about my mama? What? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. But I could also be, objection, Your Honor. Like, I could get you out of jail. Stop playing with me. Oh my God. I cut it so. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I achieve this look with a lace closure wig. Yeah, do y'all see the lace? Cause I don't clock it. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I was thirsty. All right, y'all, excuse my appearance. I did not comb my hair today because we about to install a new wig. So y'all just gonna have to roll with the punches with me. But anyway, I was sent a wig from this company called YASGRL. And I'm just so excited because it's a closure and I haven't had a closure in so long. I probably don't even know how to install it no more. But we're gonna see how it turn out. But I'm gonna show you guys the box and everything that came in it. So this is the box from YASGRL. And this is what the inside looks like. I can't hold it up and show y'all, so I'm gonna just set it in my lap. But first thing that comes in here is the wig, and it comes in a silk bag, and it has their logo on it. So that's cute. I'll wait to take the wig out. Also, I received press-ons. It's like a Christmas design. They're so cute. This light, okay. Probably give it to my sister. Also, it's this little pouch that has their logo as well. And let me see what's in here. So we have a elastic band. We have a clip. We have bobby pins. We have a edge brush, purple. Oh, 2 clips, sorry. And lastly, we have a pair of tweezers. So that was nice. So thank you for the gifts. Okay. And also I received a wig cap. So that was everything from the box. Now let's see what this hair looks like. So this is the wig right out of the bag. It comes in a hairnet. It's stuck on my rings. Okay. Ooh, y'all, this lace is so nice. And the knots are thin and they're doing it for me. I want y'all to see. It's probably hard to see, but this is the inside of the wig. It also has a band already installed in the wig. And it comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Now I'm gonna read off the specs on this wig. But they sent me their chestnut brown with highlights wig. It is 10 inches. Also, the hair is easy to manage. It has a natural hairline, which it does, but I'm gonna plug just because that's what I do. Also, the hair is 100% human hair, and this is a 4x4 lace closure wig. But the knots are bleached, which are good, because usually I don't bleach my knots. I'm just so excited because the hair is brown, and I really don't do color, but we're gonna do it today. And it's about something else I usually don't do, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. I think I'm gonna style it on the mannequin head before I put it on, just because it's a closure, so it should be easy to install. So yeah, I'm gonna get right to it. I just broke my wig stand. Tragic. I was really trying to hold off on getting one, but now I'm gonna just have to get one. Annoying. But I'm gonna style this wig on a mannequin head before I put it on, just to show y'all how easy it is to slip it on. One sec. Alright, y'all, so improvise. Wig stand broke, so now we dang near on the floor. So first I'm gonna flatten out where I want my part to be, and also I might part of my baby hairs right now too. So I went ahead and just put the wig on my head just to see, because I was scared of it fitting my head, but I could really go glueless. Like, it's so snug. I really could just throw this on for real. It fits my head perfectly. I adjusted the straps in the back to go as tight as it could. So it is, I would say, big hair friendly because I have it on its tightest. And the lace, the hairline looks so good. And I ain't even do nothing. All I did was put my lace tint on it and makeup on my cap. That's literally it.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use a bitch cause I ran off with the shit. I'm a real right blood and these niggas tryna fit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get you. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me on some drop. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs close cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops.
Today I'm going to be using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond Spray. This is the black bottle. It's the Extreme Firm Hold. This is the favorite one that I've used. I used the red one before, but I don't like that one for real. So I'm gonna probably do 2 or 3 layers.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use a bitch cause I ran off with the shit. I'm a real right blood and these niggas tryna fit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get you. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me on some drop. Y'all said a real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs close cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. give a fuck. I'm a big gobbler, nigga, you a pup. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a lie. Baking soda, cold water, cut the stove on, scrape the sides. You can keep skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass size. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch some nigga drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, 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 slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
You probably can or can't tell that I cut this side. It was given like angled bob, and I don't like that. So I'm trying to cut straight across. I might have did it, I might not have, but I'm gonna go off camera and do some more, and I'll be right back.
Stay here.
That sounds. Messing with him, I'll be here all day. And I'm not waiting on him. These scissors is weak. I think I fixed it. Or this part still.
Just doing this to me.
Like my bob?
I do.
The bob. I gotta do her face. I was scared for this bob, but I like it, y'all.
Murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on the slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on the slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga.
Now that we're giving scalp, I'm gonna put makeup right there because it looks a little light. I didn't put nothing right there on the cap, clearly. But I'm going to do my baby hair. Do one side look longer? Alright, I think I ate now. So I went off camera to cut and just clean up the cut. Just so it's even, and I love it, y'all. I don't like the hair just like sitting on my shoulder, just, I don't know. And I don't really like the heavy. Y'all seen that video on Nene?
You're supposed to wear them straight. If she has her, she made her ball.
Murder gang shit, I'm on the slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on the slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I be use a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga tryna fit. You pull up on the L, push it before you get you. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up.
Alright, y'all. This is it for real. I had to put the brown shirt on to, you know, go with the look and compliment. But yeah, this is the final look. Y'all want me to turn to the back? I got confidence in this one. Hold on. Yeah. If this was a frontal, I'd really be eating. Serving y'all hairline. This is the other side. I'm gonna leave all the details to this hair in the description box so you guys can purchase, because this hair and this lace is doing it. It's doing it for me. All right, y'all. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family so we can be cute together. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.